Yes, my dear students, welcome to our physics class. Dear students, you are up to this, you learned about what? The dimension and dimensional formula. So in the last, we have discussed about what is the mean about dimension of a physical quantity. That you already know. So and also I told how to write a dimensional formula and also meaning of a dimensional formula. So dear students, the dimensional formula is nothing but the combination of M and D. What? Combination of M and D. Then easily we say, but the actual definition is, that is changed. Actual definition there is. Okay na? So just simple again. Dimensional formula ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ simple. Combination of M and D. Combination of mass, length, time. And also gets the exponents. Okay? So ಒಂದು physical quantities ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಅವೇ ಮಾಸ್, ಲೆಂತ್, ಟೈಮ್. ಇವು ಬೇಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅವನ್ನ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ some various physical quantities dimensional formula. So now we'll discuss one by one. Okay, dear students, we have base quantities. First one is the mass. What? Mass. So the dimensional formula of mass is m1 l0 t is to 0. This is the dimensional formula of mass. Right? Mass is a kg with 1 kg. That is a m to the power 1. This way we have to write the dimensional formula of mass. M to the power 1, l to the power 0, t to the power 0. Means the dimensional formula of mass does not depend on length and time. It is depend on only mass. So similarly, length. Here m is 0 because it does not depend on mass. Length is does not depend on mass. And l to the power 1, t to the power 0. Right? So next, time. M to the power 0, l to the power 0, and t to the power 1. Means time is does not depend on mass and length. This is the dimensional formula of time. Clear? So next, speed. What? Speed. Speed is nothing but what? The distance covered by an object divided by time taken. Means the rate of change of distance by time. Okay? Then distance, how do we calculate? In the sense, length L1, L to the power 1. Means time t to the power 1. So we will write it as m0 l to the power 1 and t to the power 1 upon t to the power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of speed. M0 l to the power 1 as we said, t to the power 1 will get upon t to the power minus 1. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ t to the power 1 ಮೇಲ್ಬಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ exponent minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is how we calculate the dimensional formula of speed. Agree? Clear? So next, velocity. Velocity in the sense what? Velocity is the speed of an object but moving in a definite direction. That will be one definition. But we'll also tell it as further way. It is the rate of displacement by time. Right? Displacement in the sense what? Distance carry. Okay na? Agree? Displacement means what? Carry a distance with time. So the dimension formula of this velocity is the same as speed. So now I will write directly m to the power 0, l to the power 1, t to the power minus 1. Yes, students, don't confuse. The dimensional formula of speed and velocity both are same because this is also covered by distance by time. This is also covered by a displacement by time. Okay? Clear? So m to the power 0, l to the power 1, t to the power minus 1. So, and we will say m0 L1 t minus 1. Okay, next acceleration. So acceleration is nothing but what? The rate of change of velocity by time vector. We already know this. So velocity per time. So velocity we have already here. L to the power 1, t to the power, L to the power 1, t to the power minus 1 divided by time t to the power 1. So next m0 L1. So t to the power minus 1 here divided by t to the power 1 is here. So we will get upon t to the power 1 plus 1 get upon t to the power minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2. This is a dimensional formula of a acceleration. Don't confuse. m0 L1 t to the power minus 2. Here t to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 2. Well, that is the dimensional formula of acceleration. So it is similar to 1 by 1. So ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಕ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ. ರೈಟ್? This is a combination of m and t. Mass, length, time ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So these are all the physical quantities, right? We have to express in a base quantities with base quantities. That is m and t. Got it? So next, what is seventh one? Force. Do you already learn in the previous class, 10th standard and 8th standard? Force is nothing but what? The mass into acceleration, product of magnitude of mass and acceleration. So mass is nothing but what? M to the power, mass is nothing but what? M to the power 1 and into acceleration. We have already have here acceleration. What? M L to the power 1 into t to the power minus 2. Okay? Complete. Calculate money. So now that is m to the power 1, L to the power 1, t to the power minus 2. This is a force. Here acceleration does not depend on a mass, but here force is depend on mass and acceleration. So m is 1, L is 1, t to the power minus 2. Right? This is a dimensional formula of force. Clear? So next, work. Work is nothing but what? When we apply force on a body, it will displace through some distance in the direction of force. So force into displacement. So we have the dimension formula of force. What? m1 L1 t to the power minus 2 into what? Displacement is nothing but what? L1, distance, length. Right? Displacement before length L1. So now combining, that is m power 1 L power 2 1 plus 1 2 t to the power minus 2. This is the dimension formula. We have the square bracket starting and ending. Square bracket ಹಾಕಿನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That is the way to the express of a dimension and dimensional formula. Okay, next, power. Power is nothing but what? The rate of doing work. Work by time. Okay. So next, work we already have m power 1, L power 2, t power minus 2 divided by time t power 1. Right? M is the mass, L is the length, t is the time. So we already have. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಟಚ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So divided by time. So we have to combine what? Here I will write here m power 1, L power 2 and t power. In this t power 1 will upon minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Right? This is the dimensional formula of a power. It's very easy. It's a maths thing. Okay. So next, energy. Energy, in the sense, it is a capacity to do work. Means energy is dependent on work. Capacity to do work. in work and energy both are same. Here so many in the universe, so many energies are came: potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy, geothermal energy, wind energy. So in that all energies have a work. So energy, the dimension formula energy is similar to a work, set as it is same. That is m1 L1 L2 e to the power minus 2. Right? So energy, the dimension formula of energy is same as work. Because of energy is depend on work. ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. Pressure is nothing but what? So here I apply a force on this blackboard. I apply a force on this blackboard. So I have apply only, not only throughout blackboard, this board. I apply only in this board, just this area, right? That's the force apply on this area is called a pressure, right? What it is? Pressure. Now pressure is nothing but force upon area. Force ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸುತ್ತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಉದ್ದ ಇಂಟು ಅಗಲ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. So now force, we have a dimension formula for the force. m1 L1 e to the power minus 2 divided by area is means what? Length into breadth. Length is a length L, breadth is a length in meters. L equal L square. So area is a L square. So we have to, the dimension formula of pressure is a m power 1 L power here divided L to the power 2 will upon minus 2 and 1 minus 1. So t to the power minus 2. So this is the way to write the dimension formula for pressure. Okay. In further, some fire 8 dimension formulas of physical quantities are there. So we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you.